Stay tuned to see how I made this delicious, crispy, smoky homemade bacon. Here I have a 5.5 pound skinless pork belly. First thing we need to do is to get our rub on it. Our rub consists of, and this is for every pound that our pork belly is, 20 grams of salt, 7 grams of black pepper, 25 grams of brown sugar, and 4 grams of pink curing salt. Just gonna give this another shake. We need to make sure we use all the rub on the pork belly to ensure we have enough curing salt to allow the long and slow smoke. Okay, we're gonna flip it over and get the other side. Now we need to get this into a plastic bag or vacuum seal it. Once the pork belly is sealed up, the belly's going to sit in the fridge for 7 days, flipping every 24 hours. Okay, just thought I'd bring it back for the daily flip and everything, kind of show you day by day of what it looks like going forward. So it started turning into a brine, so we just want to kind of mix that around. Rub it in a little bit. Flip it over, do the same thing. Put this back in the fridge for another 24 hours and I'll bring you back for that. All right, it's been 48 hours. We're starting to get a lot more juice in the packaging. Put that back down. Just gonna rub this in some more. It's starting to really only be pepper left in here. Everything else is dissolved into the juices. Just give it a quick rub. All right, I'll bring you back for tomorrow. Now all the brine needs to be rinsed off and then allow the pork belly to dry in the fridge on a wire rack for 24 hours. Now the pork belly is going to be smoked at 175 until it reaches an internal temperature of 155 degrees. This should take anywhere from 4 to 6 hours depending on the belly size and your smoker. As you can see here, I have a smoke tube filled with hickory pellets for extra smoke flavor. After roughly 5.5 hours, our pork belly has reached 155 degrees inside. It's time to pull it off. The pork belly is going to rest in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. After resting, go ahead and slice your bacon up into the thickness of your choice. I already have another cook going, so I'm just going to use the firebox here and get some of this bacon cooked up. Go ahead and give our bacon a try. Holy shit, that is good. That is amazing. I'll be making this again instead of buying store-bought bacon from here on out. Just takes time. It's very easy. I do have some ideas on what to use this bacon for, so if you want to see what I come up with, be sure to subscribe and like this video.